right, so let's do a 2-year revisit on the PowerBook 145 that we worked on. Remember, I glued the standoffs and I did some JB Weld 2-part epoxy. Well, unfortunately, as you can see, it failed. And if we look very carefully, the epoxy is very spongy. It's almost like the consistency of rubber. It never cured properly, and I don't know why that is. So this solution did not work, unfortunately. So we are going to have to move to something that's 3D printed. But yeah, there you go. So this is a 2.5 year revisit on the 145. It did not hold. In fact, it broke off another section of the plastic.